Cohen, what are you doing? Are you feeding the ducks? Whoa! Feed the white duck. Oh! Is that fun? Cohen, what are you doing? Ready? Throw it far. Go. Be careful. You want to feed that one duck? Hey, you stand up. Ready? Last one. Throw it far. Go. Whoa! What are you trying to do? You want to feed us some more? Okay, can you smile? Look at me. What does a duck say? Hey, look at Mama. Hey, Cohen. Can you look at Mama? Hey, Cohen.
Mommy.
Okay, what does a duck say?
Dada.
Can you blow me kisses? Blow kisses. Oh. There you go. Wow, that was a good throw. A duck. You gonna throw them some food? Yay! I always want more, huh? Are you eating the duck's bread? You gotta feed the ducks. There you go. Yay! Good job. Come show me, where are the ducks at, Cohen? Where are the ducks?